Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a device if you've just bought a car and it's got the previous owner's telephone on, or you've got a new phone, whatever. Click the star. Navigate to telephone, select telephone. Now then, you've got search for phones, search via telephone, and phones. This one's got, well, I just don't know where to start with the phones that this one's got in. Right, so first one, 760s iPhone. You see here there's a little symbol, there's a back symbol, and there's a phone. So if I click to the right, it brings up deauthorize. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize 760's phone? Yes. I'm going to deauthorize Beth's phone while I'm at it. Deauthorize. Yes. So again, you select the one you want to deauthorize, click it to the right, onto deauthorize, select by pressing yes. Deauthorize, yes.